I'd like to give you a quick overview of how to attend a meeting. In the main menu, let's select Meetings. There's 3 meeting types. They're all very similar. Let's select Group. You'll be taken to a page that lists your upcoming meetings. Let's select the title of the meeting we'd like to attend. This is your main meeting page. There's the title of your meeting here. If you're going to attend a video conference, this is where you would select Join Video Conference. This panel right here gives the current status of your meeting, including the amount of time budgeted and how far along you are, what the current agenda item is. This panel right here lists the agenda that the facilitator set up in advance. The current agenda item would be marked by this hourglass. If you'd like to see who is going to take a turn in a particular agenda item, you can see that here. This area right up here is a countdown timer. It starts over each time the facilitator jumps to a new agenda item. So right now we're on this first item, Welcome and Announcements, and it has 10 minutes budgeted. What the timer is saying here is we have 7 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. You can also engage in discussions while in a meeting. If you'd like to make an entry, you can post that like this. It behaves very, very similar to the discussion section elsewhere in your dashboard. In advance of the meeting, you may be asked to record an ask and backstory, and you may be asked to take a look at the ask and backstory of other members. You would find that here in this listing. And then this little edit icon is where you would record your own ask and backstory. Over here is where you would access the individual member profiles. Just select the member image. Profile slides over. This is very similar to the profiles that you can access elsewhere in the dashboard. These tabs allow you to look at commitments. You can also see the ask and backstory for that particular individual. You can see their member details, the plan, their analytics. There's how you close that. If you would like to leave the meeting, simply select Leave Meeting. And so now you have an overview of how to attend a meeting.